Hi, ZTE Nubia Red Magic 8 Pro, and I'll show you how to hide photos in gallery on this device. So first open the gallery app, and for example let's select these two photos to hide them. So just select the photos, click to more icon and tap set as private. Are you sure to set the file as private? Yes, tap to OK. So now just we should enable the private space option, so we should set a password. Just tap to confirm, drop the pattern, or also you could use the numeric password. I'll use this pattern just twice, draw it. Here we got the security questions. You could use the available questions or to use your custom one. For example, after that enter the answer, tap to OK and click to end. Private space, if encrypted the file will save the private space, the local file will be deleted. Do you want to add? OK, add to. So now we should go to the private space to find these hidden photos. So just let's open the settings. Here let's enter the private space. So you could find it in the settings, password and security and private safe. So you could just here enter the private space, or just to go to the private password and security, click the private space, draw your pattern, click the photo, and you'll find here your previously hidden photos. To remove them from here, just tap on the photo, click to this remove icon. To delete, confirm. Also, you could just click to this three dots, batch delete or bulk restart. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.